Hey, how are you guys doing today? So I'm just up checking out my snow conditions. It's not bad. We got, I don't know, maybe a couple inches, not too much. And the ground's not frozen yet either, so the traction's, yeah, it's not too bad. I don't have studs on yet, so it's a little sketchy, but it's good practice for your balance. Yeah, I brought the little dual sport. I'll probably stud up the KTM here in the next week or two and check out some of the higher trails. Some of the lower trails might not get snow till January. They might not get snow at all. It's hard to say. So yeah, take you guys along for a little ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Hey, how's it going, you guys? So some of these hills I'm showing you guys are actually pretty gnarly hills, so I don't want anybody going out and getting hurt. I'm just showing you guys, you know, if you ever get stuck or in a predicament where you got to get up a hill, you know, or you just want some skills, you can apply these skills to other hills. But this particular one is almost, well, it's total bedrock and it's covered in about 2 inches of snow today, so I wasn't going to come up this high, but I thought if there's any of you guys ever get caught in a situation, you got to get up these hills. Something like this, momentum is going to be the key, and lots of it. I start down, you can see, I don't know if you can see my bike over there. So I'm in about third gear by right that dark spot there. And pretty much the time you hit the bedrock at the bottom, I'm almost coasting up the whole thing. Or, you know, just letting the clutch out just a little bit. So yeah, the key to stuff like this is momentum, and then just feather that clutch up the hill. And again, I'm just showing you guys, you know, if you ever get in a predicament where you got yourself stuck at the bottom of a muddy hill, it's the same principle, just lots of momentum. Hold your line nice and straight and don't let your clutch out all the way, because it's just gonna cause your tire to spin. So I'll set the tripod up and we'll get a couple clips of this. This one's pretty sketchy. Some of my buddies won't even climb this when it's dry in the middle of the summer. And there's like 2 or 3 inches of snow today, so I'm not studded either. That thing's bare right now. So I'll set the tripod up, give it a shot. So here's a tip about coming down. Just don't hardly use your brakes. Just, you know, pretend you're your own anti-lock braking system and just ride them just real gently. That was 3rd gear pin, so a little momentum and you're good to go. I just gave myself a little startle, actually a pretty good one. And it's my bad. I set up a lot of these shots by myself and I don't pre-run it. I just set the camera up and then I go for it, which actually is a big no-no, and I'll show you why right now. I'll show you the scene right after this, but check this out. So that's where my tripod was, and I was going this direction. Look at that skid mark. So it doesn't look like a big deal, right, at first. But I was in about 4th gear, and look at what I'm headed straight for. Yeah, that's a no-no, and I should know better. I actually didn't miss that, I brushed it. But luckily, that 40-foot skid mark just got me stopped in time. But let that be a lesson. Let that be a lesson to myself and anyone else filming like this. And I know a few guys that do it. When you set the camera up, you should pre-run first so that you know what you're up against. And that would give you a wake-up call. So yeah, pre-run your pictures and videos. HEDDLETOWN.